Have you been searching for the perfect sedan with styling and reliability without breaking the bank? We'll take a look at this 2017 Lexus ES 350 in Nebula Gray. With HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 17-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot monitoring, shark fin antenna, LED tail lamps, heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, 18,000 miles on the odometer, 7-inch color display, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, split folding rear seats, power sunroof, 3.5-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details or to schedule a test drive, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 6110A.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.